wasn't going to be shouting.
Came to shop to Kroger today. Today was hubby picking stuff up, so let's go and see what all he got. Because he was picking up in the last time that, oh, I always talk about healthy. Now that he wasn't around, I got just a couple of junks. And he started teasing me and make a big deal out of it, and he's been teasing me for a while now. So today I allow him to take charge of the shopping. Yes, allow to take charge of the shopping. So let's go and see all what he got. Careful, Aurora. Okay.
Okay.
So it's 93, right?
Yes.
89, 87. That's premium, that's mid-grade, and that's regular. So hubby just taught me more how to pump gas, because all the time hubby helped me to fill my tank when he's around. And I keep forgetting, because if I haven't pumped gas in what, years? But he was showing me it again.
Had a hubby. Let's put it that way.
I got it on video, so if anything, I'll just come back and watch this video and know how to do it. We'll see you guys at the house.
Does that mean you're getting rid of hubby? What?
What do you guys think? Time to replace him?
No.
Oh, I forgot Aurora's in the back. Okay, we'll still keep him around. Got all the things that hubby got. Sonia, you have to come direct. This is all what hubby got. He got a lot. So let's show it one at a time.
20 pounds of white rice.
Hey.
Wait, how much is that? That's a gallon. It seems like it's more.
Apple juice?
Apple juice. Honey Nut Cheerios. Bam. Tea cherry tomatoes. We got 2 cans of Bush's baked beans.
We're just gonna take everything from the bag so it's easy for us to just show it.
Honey Bunches of Oats for my honey, because she had to have them. We got Pop-Tarts, times 5. 5 different flavors of Pop-Tarts. We got bagels.
2.
Times 2. Cinnamon and blueberry. We've got some red plums. We have broccoli.
Apples.
Honey Crisp apples, times 3.
3 apples? There's one more here.
So that needs 5 pounds of cheese. Kiwi, blueberries. They're huge, by the way. Look at those
Yes,
gargantuan
that look
blueberries.
juicy.
Aloe vera or a nose picker.
This aloe vera for my hair. I'm gonna do oils with it.
So pistachio nuts for the girls for their healthy snack. Fruit roll-ups. Fruit
Nuts so
roll-ups. Moana fruit bites. Another fruit roll-ups. And a Stitch bites.
Oh.
So the wife asked for my secret sauce for my marinades or for my stir fry. Got those guys there. We're trying out a new one, a teriyaki there. And then another new one, a Japanese style teriyaki also. Aurora loves yum yum sauce. Everybody loves yum yum sauce.
It's great
yum,
on
yum.
your rice as well.
Garlic, a staple in our household for wherever we do any kind of cooking. Aurora requested some cheesy noodles. Now we're going to get into the meat of it. I got 4 packs of brats. These are beer brats, Johnsonville. Check out my big haul here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slabs of turkey bacon.
Hubby loves to mix this.
Yeah.
We use this on
And
our
we use it
peppers.
for our breakfast too, though.
And breakfast, yes. Family for peppers.
I got some drumsticks from when I am back in town, so I can cook us up some drumsticks, turkey drumsticks. And 4 packs of chicken breast. Each one of these is about 2 pounds each, so we got 8 pounds of chicken breast. We got some fishies.
Tilapia fish.
Put the head on because the wife likes the fish.
I don't eat the head, but I just love the head to be honest.
We got some shrimp, extra large shrimp, already deveined and already cooked. This was really a nice buy. Then we got some pops. So 6-pack of Coke. I got a 6-pack of ginger ale for when we get sick, because it's getting into flu, cough, and cold season. And we got some A&W root beer. I saw these guys in there, so I picked up one of these to try them out. It's a cream soda. I got a Shirley Temple soda. And the wife requested an African Fanta, which is technically just it's the Mexican, it's from Mexico.
You know, in Africa, this is how the Fanta is. It's in a bottle. And this one thing was $2.50 for it. But still, I just wanted to try it to bring back, memories from Africa. So this is all we got. And how much did you spend?
$223.
$223 for all of these things. And it's from Kroger. So we are going to go and put everything up. And then I have some leftover in the fridge. So that's what we're going to have tonight. No cooking. And hubby has to drive back. Yeah, we haven't even sat down and talked about that video yet. Because anytime hubby can, we always in a rush and stuff. But we'll sit down and talk more about it. But he has to drive back because he got work tomorrow. So we're going to put everything up, and then I'm going to heat up some leftover for the girls and myself. So this is our shopping haul for a family of 4 and also Lucy. But for a family of 4. And yeah, thanks for watching it. Thanks for hanging out with us. This was just a fast video. Have a blessed night. Bye-bye. Sonia, press there for the picture. Babe, you tore back there a little bit. Bobby did pick me up an 8-piece Belk cooking set from Belk. If I find the link, I will leave it down below for you to order it. This quality is so amazing, and I love the way it just set my kitchen up. This like a frying pan, not like a frying pan, but it is a frying pan. And then a steam pot. But I'm also gonna cook stew in here if I put in a big batch that I want to keep. Another pan, a pot, and then a little frying pan. So this is an 8-piece set. The 8-piece, they also count the cover, but this looks really great. It's high quality. They can see you in the back of the video, so you can come on. I already told them you got this set for me, and I was just showing it to them.
You like it?
I love it. It's amazing. If you guys want to check it out, I would leave the link down below.